Hi guys, how's it going? Please let me know if the sound is good. Oh, wow, nice. So you guys, we can see the dollar index right here. Just confirm the sound is good. Sound good? I think if you said. Okay, it's good. Okay. Because you just change the screen, then I keep talking. Okay, guys, what we can see, the pound is reversing really bad. Okay, so I did sell this one in my account. I think this is not too bad because that's what we expected, right? We in the weekly forecast, it said if this breaks to the upside, we're gonna trade this breakout, then we're gonna expect to bounce from this trend line. At the same time, you guys, I want you to watch something. Just focus with me for a minute right here. Okay, 1 minute only. Look at this. This is a channel we did draw together right here. Let me make it bigger. We did draw together in the weekly forecast, and we said we were right here. We said we expect the dollar index to come all the way down to the lower band of this channel, meeting this support area. This will be a potential reverse. So you can see in the smaller time frame, and the dollar is reversing strongly right here in a smaller time frame. If you look at something bigger in the half-hour time frame, look at this signal. This what's sending euro dollar down and pound dollar down. Okay, that one. And the 1 hour time frame, that's really nice signal in my opinion to take. So I think this is the bottom for the dollar for that. It may make a double bottom, so all scenarios are possible. You may get something like this, it come back, but whatever, for now, that's a good start. For a big view, that's a good area to start buying the dollar. So that's why I did. Also, if you look at the pound index, we expected this to go up and come down. You can see the wave. It did go up, come down, another one wave up and down, and it's like bang. So if you draw this again, actually, if you make a copy of that one, it's probably gonna be like, here we go, nice. Okay, so we expect this to come all the way down to meet right here. So if we make our expected area, okay, I like to make high and lows like this so I can see where I'm trading here. Okay, guys, in my opinion, as long as we are below that high, that's our target. And if you look at the MACD, and that's a pound index, it means it's going to be weak against a lot of things. If you draw that line and that line, you can see where this is going, right? So that's possibly is a good area to start shorting the pound. In my opinion, I could be wrong. If we go back to our market, we can see the pound is really weak. Australian also, and the franc is strong. That's why selling pound franc, it's probably one of the best choices. If you go look at the pound, avoid euro pound here, just to go pound franc. Look at this crashing, guys, crashing. Beautiful sell. Okay, how far this can come down? It can come down all the way to here, all the way. Okay, that's actually what I do expect. Why I do expect this and why this is a good signal, I can tell you. Okay, you know, guys know there was a trend line here. It did bounce from this area. So if you just make a copy to this one down to here, so you will know that area was we were watching that one. Okay, and also once you break below this one, the road is gonna be clear all the way down here. Why pound franc is good, I can tell you. Okay, if you come down here, just focus with me for a minute. If we go to the Great British Pound CHF, I'm just gonna change this line. You guys can see it, blue. Right, sorry, that's brown. Okay, because I have to go after a little bit. Okay, guys, just focus here. This is in the monthly, the pound franc is down. In the weekly is down. Lately, it was going up. then it started to coming back in the 4-hour time frame and all the time frames to match the weekly and the monthly. So we are catching a good signal in a small time frame that is matching the weekly and the monthly. That's a beautiful signal. Beautiful signal. Okay, everything can hit stop loss. If you have a risk management, you have nothing to worry about. We just do analysis. We trade what we see. At that, what we see. We see pound franc is a good sell. Okay, guys. If you go here, it's 100% sell because everything here is giving you a sell. That's why it's given 100%. There is no, there's no differentiation or some of them given a buy, some of them given a sell. No, everything is given a sell. That's why pound franc is possibly is a good sell. Has been. When did the start as a sell? It was right here. Look at this area. It was beautiful. We actually did sell it in our VIP channel. Okay, guys, you can see, and that's potentially is gonna come down here. Okay. So my view for the pound is crashing till October, guys. Till October, pound is gonna unless they announce a good trade deal with the EU, and I don't think this is gonna happen now. They're gonna have to fight over it till the last breath. So don't expect anything before October. Politicians, if they come to an agreement, let's say in August, so Mr. Johnson gave up so early. So he's not gonna do that. In my opinion, they're gonna have to keep fighting over it, and they have, Anyway, in my opinion, pound is gonna be under pressure for a little bit. Actually, the long term, the pound dollar may come to be the pound equal to $1. So in my opinion, we can see that happening. So guys, watch out. Pound sell, it may be offering a good sell opportunities for the long term and the monthly trend. So monthly trend, in my opinion, this be offering. So you can see the 1 hour. So if you guys have the ABC trading system, you know where to enter. Our members who have the system, they know how to get in and the best to entry, where to put the stop loss and everything. And this is back tested and all good. So you guys are most welcome if you want to join our service. And you can see this was a correction, right? Why is correction? Because every time it does go up, it comes back down the same level. See that? That is a correction, right? It's like bang up. Just change this. Okay, guys, see that's up, right? Then it comes down. Correction, right? Then it comes up. It barely moved 56 bips higher. Then it comes back down, right? Because it's a correction. So it just wants to spend more time because the price here did reach so fast. So it needs to gain time without gaining price level, without gaining value. So now what's happening? Gaining time, but no value. What's happening now? Decrease in value in no time, it's crashing. So it's all about value, volatility, and time. If you can get those right, if you can trade this break out, if you can see the dollar index, what's happening with the dollar index, and you do expect the dollar index actually to bounce from here in the weekly forecast, right? You guys know about this. We discussed this in the weekly forecast. I don't have to open it in our YouTube and show you guys, right? You know already about that one. And so if you expecting this to come here and keep the eye on it, you guys, you see almost touch the lower of the lower line and bounce from there. That was pure luck. I can't say that I can't see the future. That's pure luck to come right here. But this area was expected. But to come right almost per bib, that's luck. Luck or blessing, whatever you call it. Anyway. Okay, guys. Perfect, Andrew. Hi, Dave. Hi, Niyati. How are you? Hi, Ali. Perfect. Okay, guys. So I hope this does make sense. So we expect you guys want what's happening now. The pound franc is a good sell. Pound Canadian also is a good sell. Watch out euros like Australian Canadian. Excuse me. Australian Canadian probably a good sell, guys. Also and Australian USD. Okay, Australian USD here, guys. You can check this one out. Okay. Okay, guys, I think that's very clear and right in the money. Okay, we discussed the gold last week, guys. We said possibly we can get this one down, but if you break the 1820, that's only a buy, and that's what's happening. But gold now, it may, so you guys, anytime you sell gold, you know it's short term. Gold may relax now as a profit taken a little bit, but if you do sell it, you know it's a short term also. Okay, nothing big. Your stop loss has to be, let's say, 1900 or so. And also, I would not recommend you sell it unless the ABC system gives you a sell clear right here in the 15-minute time frame at least. But if you want to short it in something like this, you know it's scalping only, right? So I can't give analysis on that one. But in my opinion, we can see the gold coming down a little bit here to the 1820 again as a correction. Nothing changed, or because the dollar, we can see the dollar getting strong. You guys, you can see the franc index is going strong now. So what does this mean is the DAX, let's say the Dow possibly, but Dow is still going up, nothing changing. But I will not buy the Dow now, wait a little bit. We discussed last week the Dow and the DAX is a good buy. You guys, you can see that area did bounce from it strongly, big time right here. And that was the two levels we said you buy here, you take profit here. I think that was very clear. Thank you, the weekly, and also the gold, I mean the oil. Coming back to the pound, that's beautiful. I think you guys, we have been following this from the top right here, all the pyramids and every action and every move. I think that's really fantastic. Okay, so what we are looking at now, our magic number, the 1.2450 as a target, especially if this is gonna continue all the way down. So if we would draw it again, that will be our second area we're looking at here. If we change the color a little bit, so make it something, this is gonna be down, so let's make it pinkish a little bit here. That's what we can see right now, all the way down here. Okay, it did go up so fast, but it may come down a little bit slower time. Okay guys, stop loss probably at the top right here. I think it's been going good. So if we, okay guys, I think that's all good. No, we are saying USD dollar is gonna be strong, so I would not sell USD CAD now. I would avoid. Okay, your Australian also would expect to be going up a little bit, but not too much. Okay guys, so that was it for today. I hope this will give you an overall market analysis quickly of what's going on and the update. Thanks guys for joining me today, and I hope and I wish the best for you guys, and please trade safe. Okay, thank you, goodbye.